Divisibility by 4. A number is divisible by 4 if the number formed by last two digits is divisible by 4 or the number formed by the last two digits is 00. Always choose two digits on the extreme right side. Do not choose two digits on the left side. Okay. Let us see some examples. Consider the number 216. Number formed by last two digits of 216 is 16. Okay. Instead of dividing 216, it is enough to divide 16 by 4. While dividing 16 by 4, 4 times we get 16 and we get remainder 0. Since we got remainder as 0, we can say that 16 is divisible by 4. Okay. 16 is divisible by 4, which means while dividing 16 by 4, we get remainder 0. So, 216 is divisible by 4. 30,263. The last two digits make the number 63. 63 is not a multiple of 4. 60 and 64 are in fourth table. 63 is not in fourth table. So easily you can say that 63 is not divisible by 4. But for verification, I have made the calculation here. Divide 63 by 4. 4 1 is 4. On subtraction you get 2. 2 is not divisible by 4, so bring down 3. Now you have 23. 4 5s are 20. On subtraction you get 3 as the remainder. Since remainder is not equal to 0, we can say that 63 is not divisible by 4. Since 63 is not divisible by 4, we say that 30,263 is also not divisible by 4. Okay. 600. Very easy. It ends with 2 zeros. So we can directly conclude as 600 is divisible by 4. Consider 423. Number obtained by last two digits is 23. 23 is not in fourth table. 20 is there, 24 is there. 23 is not in fourth table, so you can easily say that 23 is not divisible by 4. I have made the calculation. 4 5s are 20, 3 is the remainder. Since remainder is not equal to 0, we say that 23 is not divisible by 4. So 423 is not divisible by 4. Okay. 1748. Number made by last two digits on the extreme right side is 48. 40, 44, 48 are in fourth table. So 48 is obviously divisible by 4. Yet we have made calculations here. 48 divided by 4. 4 1 is 4. We get 0 on subtraction. Bring down 8. 4 2s are 8 and you get 0 on subtraction. Since the remainder is 0, we say that 48 is divisible by 4. So 1748 is also divisible by 4. One more example. 9439. Last two digits give you the number 39. 39 is not in fourth table. 39 is not divisible by 4. See, while dividing 39 by 4, you get 9 times 36 and the remainder 3. Remainder is not equal to 0. So 39 is not divisible by 4. So 9439 is not divisible by 4. 20,560. The number formed by last two digits on extreme right side is 60. You know very well 40 plus 20 is 60. 40 is in fourth table, 20 is in fourth table, so 60 is also in fourth table. So 60 is divisible by 4. You can easily say that. But if you want to verify, you can make the calculation. 60 by 4. 4 1 is 4. On subtraction you get 2. Bring down 0 because 2 is not divisible by 4. 2 is less than 4. So bring down 0. You have 20 now. 4 5s are 20. Now subtract. You get the remainder 0. Since you got a remainder as 0, you can say that 60 is divisible by 4. I hope it is clear now.